Wall Street, where stocks in the U.S. closed higher on Friday, though the S&P and the Nasdaq ended weekly winning streaks that had persisted for over a month. This Reuters report gets you a lowdown on all the action on Wall Street.
U.S. stocks ended mostly up on Friday, but the S&P 500 and Nasdaq broke weekly winning streaks that had lasted for more than a month. The Dow gained about 1.5%, the S&P added 0.8%, and the Nasdaq was basically flat, dipping just marginally. Friday's Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index, or PCE, from the Commerce Department showed inflation ticked up 0.3% last month, matching March's gain. The rate excluding volatile food and energy prices climbed 0.2%.
It wasn't a great report.
Scharf Investments Managing Director Eric Lynch is paying close attention to that so-called core rate.
We're still stuck on this plateau. It's been many, many months of virtually no improvement. PCE, which is the Fed's preferred inflationary metric, was 2.8% year-over-year growth. It's been stuck there for a while, like I said. There was one small note of improvement, which was the month-over-month increase was about 0.2%, which was a slight decrease from 0.3 the prior month. So it's ever so slightly trending the right direction, but not enough for the Fed to really change its tack.
Markets continue to see about a 50% chance that the central bank will begin to cut interest rates in September. Tech and chip stocks, which have led Wall Street's recent rally, retreated this week as a spike in Treasury yields pressured riskier assets. Among gainers, shares of Gap surged more than 28.5% after the apparel maker raised its annual sales forecast and its first quarter results beat market expectations in fresh signs that its turnaround strategy was starting to work. Zscaler shares jumped 8.5% after the security solutions provider forecast fourth quarter results above estimates. And Trump Media and Technology Group fell 5.5% after a New York jury convicted former President Donald Trump of falsifying documents to cover up a hush money payment to a porn star ahead of the 2016 elections.